So we're going to replace the Citroen C4 coupe front speakers. First off, we're going to have to remove the door panel and then the factory speakers with the aftermarket ones. The size of the speakers is 16.5 centimeters or 6.5 inches in diameter. So let's get started. First off, we're going to have to remove the handle, the piece around it. Slowly and easily, without breaking the plastic holders inside. Careful not to break these small pieces. Next up, a T20 screw. This is a sliding process. Oh, okay. It should have come off with the door controls, the window controls, but in my case it seems to have been prior. No, now it's coming out, is okay. Let's leave it like that. It's inside right now, but usually it would have come out afterwards with some plastic clips. Now we're going to have to unscrew on the side a few of them and on the bottom. The same T20 screws, but these are a little longer. So the one needed is this one to so the T20. Okay. These are long screws. So they cannot be confused with a single one from there. From the handle, so on the bottom. I don't see anything there. One here. Screws. Okay. So I see 3 long screws. Now to remove the door panel, the top part is hanging and is grabbing on the door. So you will have to remove the panel like that and push upwards. Okay. So these are the clips, some of the clips that hold on the door beside the screws. So you must be careful not to break them. I already have broken one of these. I think I have some spares. We'll have to replace them at a later date. And now for the speaker. Let's see. Will the T20 work as well? Let's go closer. So this is the speaker. 1, 2, 3, 4. T20. Perfectly. So it's the same head for all the screws inside. Okay, first of all, let me remove the door controls, the window controls. There's a grabby thing here, and it's very easy. I'll put on the door panel later. So all the screws have been removed, all 4 screws. Let's see the speaker as well. Well, this is a little tight. I don't like it because I'll have to cut. We'll have to cut the wire for the speaker, because the factory speaker has a connector, a standardized connector, which the aftermarket ones don't have. Probably if they are specifically made for Citroen C4, they should have a sort of connector. This is interesting. This piece right here, probably some sound vibration removing. So I'm going to recover it and use it on the new speakers. Why waste it? Okay, now for the speakers, I have bought a set of Hertz speakers. This is what I have bought. Okay, not upside down. 16.5 centimeters. Let's see if they work. So, as I was saying, the aftermarket speakers don't have the plug, so I've made the wiring to cut the factory wire and to add blade wires, blade connectors for the speakers. When to position the speaker, the factory socket has some guides, so this must be chopped because the full speaker doesn't have those guides, so it has nothing to allow it, so the speaker will not enter. The factory one had many holes, you see, and the guide holes there, and the factory speaker is much lighter due to the smaller magnet. In my case, because of the aftermarket speaker plug connectors, I had to cut a piece over here so that the blades, the contacts could fit. Otherwise the speaker will not sit. Plus the holes do not line up, so be prepared to make new holes in a different position.